Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron na naman tayong math problem coming from differential equation which was submitted by one of our subscribers. So ang problem niya is about exact differential equations in which we will find the value of k so that the given differential equation is exact. Tapos ito yung differential equation, y cubed plus kxy squared minus 2x dx plus 3xy squared plus 20x squared y cubed dy equals 0. So let us recall that if a given differential equation is expressed in the form m dx plus n dy equals 0, the differential equation is exact if it satisfies the condition that the partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Okay, balikan natin yung tanong. Sinabi find the value of k. Hindi sinabing constant yung k natin. It can be or it can involve another variable like x and y. Hindi pwedeng sinabing constant lang siya. So, paano kaya ang magiging diskarte natin dito, Sir IJ? Okay, listen carefully. So, ang gawin natin, consider muna natin yung m tsaka yung n natin. So, m is yung kasama ng dx natin. So, we have y cubed plus kx y squared minus 2x. So, for the n part, so separate natin. So, we have n equals 3xy squared plus 20x squared y cubed. So, unahin muna natin ano ba yung pwede nating ma-differentiate nang wala yung k. So, basically, Sir IJ, we can differentiate n with respect to x. So, the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So, kapag nag-execute tayo ng partial differentiation, make sure na yung ibang variables na hindi naman with respect, like for this case x, other variables will be considered as a constant. So for this case, guys, listen carefully po So for this case, we are differentiating with respect to x. Yung y squared natin is treated as constant. So takpan nyo lang po yung ibang variable. Ang derivative ng 3x ay 3. So 3 tapos balik mo si y squared. Ito, takpan ulit natin tong y cubed. Ano differential nito mga Lodi Cakes ng 20x squared or derivative? That is 40x, Sir IJ. 40x y cubed. Okay, ito na magiging problema natin. We are solving for k. Kapag ito kasi guys, dinifferentiate natin mga Lodi, medyo magkakaroon tayo ng problema with regards to this function or with this expression kasi yung k can be involving another variable. Specifically based siguro y. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Ano yung pwede nating diskarte para ma-compare natin yung partial derivatives ng m with respect to y and partial derivative ng n with respect to x. So ang pinakamadaling way dyan mga Lodi Cakes is titingnan natin ito. 'Di ba? Okay, ganito gawin natin guys Yung partial derivative natin, hihinto lang tayo saglit. Kasi ang derivative ng y cubed, so that is obviously 3y squared. Pero dito, hindi mo pwedeng i-differentiate agad to Kasi pag dinifferentiate mo yan, 2kxy, tapos equate mo lang dito, mali po yun. Mga Lodi Cakes, pwede nyong i-testing. Ganito ang gagawin nyo. Diba ito yung 40xy cubed, mga Lodi Cakes? Okay? So ito na lang yung magiging problema nito. So dapat, etong kxy squared, mga Lodi, makinig maigi must be equal to the integral ng kapartner niya. So, you have 40xy cubed. Ito, saan to with respect mga idol? Since dito is sa y siya, so this must be dy. Tapos, tanggalin nyo na lang po yung mga plus c. Kasi naman pinagko-compare natin si left at si right. So, you have kxy squared equals 40xy. Dahil y tayo mga Lodi, yung x natin is constant na over 3 plus 1. Huwag na natin lagyan ng plus c. So you have kxy squared, mga Lodi Cakes, equals 3 plus 1, that's 4. 40 divided 4, that's 10x y to the 4th. So you have, cancel natin yung isang x. So you have k equals 10y to the 4th all over y squared. So that is equal to 10y squared. So yan na po yung value ni k in terms of another variable which is y. Tandaan nyo mga idol hindi nyo pwedeng i-direct. Kasi kapag ito dinirect nyo, magiging 2kxy yan. Pag in-equate nyo dito mga idol, ang makukuha nyo is 20y squared which is mamamali po kayo. Kaya napaka-critical na kailangan alam nyo yung cases ng exact differential equation, especially with this type of problem. If may questions or clarifications, wag po kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. Thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you have a great day, mga Lodi Geeks, especially bakasyon pa naman, and good luck sa mga papasok na next week. And hoping you all the best. Bye-bye and God bless.